Hello dear students, in the chapter motion in a straight line, let us study the topic free fall. So what is free fall? When you release an object from a wall, let us assume a wall, you are standing on a wall and you are dropping a ball, okay, so it will be move towards the earth under the influence of gravity, okay. If you neglect the air resistance, if there is no air resistance means, so the motion is said to be a free fall. The motion of this ball is said to be a free fall, okay. When you drop the ball from a wall, okay, it is moved towards the earth because of the influence of gravity. So this motion is called a free fall. So see the definition. What is free fall? The motion of object under the influence of gravity. The motion of an object under the influence of gravity. So what you have to do? You have to neglect the air resistance, okay, then it is called a free fall, okay. So this fall is in the y-axis, okay, in the y-axis. If this is the initial position y naught, this is the final position y, okay, it is not along the x-axis, it is in the y-axis. So in the kinematic equation you have to use, instead of y-axis you have to use instead of x terms you have to use y terms, okay. So what is the initial position? Y naught. What is the final position? Y, okay. When you drop the ball, what is the initial velocity? That will be 0, okay. So it will fall with its velocity, okay, v. So what is the initial position? Y naught, that is, okay, let it be 0 at this point when you reach here, okay. So that will be the distance covered, initial position, final position, okay. So here let y naught be the initial position, let it be 0. V naught, what is initial velocity? When you drop the ball, initial velocity nothing, that is 0, okay. Then A, what is A? Acceleration, it moves under the influence of gravity, therefore instead of A you have to write G. What is G? Acceleration due to gravity, it is along minus negative y-axis, so you have to write the sign here, minus G. So you know the G value 9.8 meter per second square, okay. Now we can use these terms or these values in different kinematic equation, okay. Consider the equation 1, we know V equal to V naught plus AT, that is the kinematic equation, first one. So instead of V naught we can substitute 0, in the place of A we can substitute minus G, so we will get V equal to 0 minus GT. What is the value of G? 9.8, so you will get V equal to minus 9.8 T meter per second, that is the unit for velocity, meter per second, okay. So you know another equation, y equal to, you know, x equation, x equal to x naught plus v naught t plus half at square. In the same way you can write in y terms, y equal to y naught plus v naught t plus half at square. Here initial position is taken as 0, initial velocity is taken as 0, so these two terms, so you can cancel it, therefore you will get half into minus G. What is A? That is nothing but minus G into t square, okay. So what is the value of G? That is 9.8, so 9.8 by 2 means you will get 4.8, so therefore y equal to minus 4.8 t square. What is y? That is the distance covered, that is nothing but the final position, that is in the terms of meter, okay. So similarly we have the third equation, v square equal to v naught square plus 2a, in terms of x means it is x minus x naught, or in terms of y means you can write y minus y naught. This is the final position, this is the initial position, okay. So now we know initial velocity is 0, instead of a you can write minus G, y naught is 0, initial position is 0. Therefore, v square equal to only y minus 0 is y only. So, this term remains. What is the value of g? 9.8. So, we will get 2 into minus 9.8 into y. So, 2 into 9.8 is minus 19.6 y. Okay. So, we will get the equation for v square. What is the unit for velocity? Meter per second. Therefore, v square is, you can write it as m square by s square, meter square per second square. Okay. So, students, this is all the about the topic on free fall. What is free fall? The motion of an object under the influence of gravity. So, that means you have to neglect the air resistance is called free fall. Okay. So, I have given the different equations under free fall. So, we have used 3 different kinematic equation. One is v equal to v naught plus at. Second one is y equal to y naught plus v naught t plus half at square. The third one v square equal to v naught square plus 2a y minus y naught. Okay. So, when you come across the different problems under this free fall, okay, you can use these equations and you can substitute the values like this.